Let's count down to the market open because it looks like we'll have a good start. Yesterday, the mid-cap market sort of underperformed a bit, so maybe that forward would be back in the broader market. The first rates are in, and the Nifty is up about 113 points. So, in line with what the pre-open was telling us. So, looking quite good over there. The Bank Nifty is opening about 300 points higher, so looking quite strong. ICICI Bank really has been the go-to stock for the market. I mean, just look at that. 910 and counting, fresh all-time high on ICICI Bank and State Bank of India. These two stocks move in tandem. In fact, they've just been, taking the bulls forward in the Bank Nifty. Kotak Mahindra Bank is contributing as well today. Infosys is looking good. In fact, 1488 on Infosys. Keep an eye on 1500 if it starts to sort of cross that. I was saying this morning as well, maybe some tactical move is possible in some of the IT names as well. For now, 350 higher on the Bank Nifty, by the way, holding 40,500. Hindalco is now your top Nifty gainer, up 2%. IndusInd Bank is up 1.5%. Hindustan Unilever is doing well. Shree Cement this month is now up 12%. This is after the announcement of being thrown out of the index. That's what normally stocks do because the underperformance has already happened. Titan, JSW Steel, Tata Consumer, Tata Motors, these are some other stocks doing well. BPCL is the only Nifty loser, and that too not by much, but otherwise a very, very strong start. 17,905. Remember, the next levels to watch on closing basis, the resistance levels are 17,950 to 18,050. And on the Bank Nifty, around this 40,500 mark. But broader markets, Sonia.
Okay, broader markets, very good opening really. The mid-cap index is up 200 points, by the way. So many large caps hitting fresh 52-week and fresh record highs. SBI, ICICI Bank, Ambuja Cement, ITC, M&M, all at fresh highs this morning. It's a very, very strong market that we have on our hands. Apart from that, in the broader markets, you have a lot of these stocks that are volume gainers, whether it's Dish TV, you have Motherson Wiring that's up 3.5%, you have something like a Granules India that's up almost about 3% and big volume moves over there. Zomato. Banks are coming back in a big way. So Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank, South Indian, Yes Bank are all up anywhere between 2 to 3%. And this is a space that's powering ahead. On the downside, very few and far between really. Something like an Indiabulls Real Estate perhaps is down almost about 3% or so. And lots of stocks hitting fresh 52-week highs even in the broader markets. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is at a fresh 52-week high right now. ITD Cementation is at a fresh high. Specialty Restaurants, Patanjali Foods, Ujjivan itself. Then lots in the capital goods space. Thermax is at a fresh 52-week high too. Looks like a rock-solid market and just gaining more ground.
Well, that's right, Sonia. And a few more stocks just to point out. PNC Infra, well, that stock had opened up in the green. They've signed a concession agreement with NHAI. The bid project cost is close to around 1,500 crores odd. So that stock has opened up with a gain of close to around 3.5%. Some of these